Farming Simulator 25. It's not just a game, it's a way of life. A digital world where you trade the hustle and bustle for the gentle hum of tractors and the satisfaction of a bountiful harvest. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a city slicker looking to escape to the countryside, Farming Simulator 25 offers an immersive and rewarding experience. This guide is your golden ticket to navigating the fields, mastering the mechanics, and turning your virtual farm into a thriving enterprise. We'll break down the essentials, share insider tips, and arm you with the knowledge you need to become a true farming aficionado. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, because things are about to get down to earth. The heart and soul of any successful farm lie in its crops. These crops are not just plants, they are the lifeblood of your farming enterprise, the foundation upon which your success is built. In Farming Simulator 25, you'll have a smorgasbord of crops to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and demands. From the staple grains like wheat and barley, to the more exotic and profitable crops like sunflowers and soybeans, the choices are vast and varied. From the humble wheat to the more lucrative sunflowers, each crop requires a different approach and strategy. Wheat, for instance, is a great starting point for beginners, while sunflowers can bring in higher profits but require more attention and care. Understanding the growth cycles, soil types, and optimal harvesting times is crucial for maximizing your profits. Each crop has its own growth timeline, and knowing when to plant and when to harvest can make a significant difference in your yield. Before you even think about sowing those seeds, preparing the land is paramount. This involves plowing the fields to break up the soil, cultivating to create a fine seed bed, and fertilizing to provide essential nutrients. Plowing, cultivating, and fertilizing your fields are essential steps to ensure healthy growth and bountiful yields. Each of these steps plays a critical role in the overall health of your crops, and skipping any of them can lead to poor results. Don't forget to factor in the weather. Weather conditions can greatly affect your farming operations, from planting to harvesting. Farming Simulator 25 boasts a realistic weather system, so keep an eye on those forecasts. A sudden downpour could make or break your harvest. Rain can be beneficial for your crops, but too much of it can lead to flooding and crop damage. Similarly, a dry spell can stress your plants and reduce yields. Always be prepared to adapt to changing weather conditions to ensure the best possible outcome for your farm. One of the most alluring aspects of Farming Simulator 25 is the vibrant modding community. This community is a bustling hub of creativity and innovation, where players from all over the world come together to share their unique creations and ideas. These digital pioneers have crafted an astounding array of mods, each one adding a new layer of depth and excitement to the game. From simple quality-of-life improvements to complex new gameplay mechanics, the possibilities are nearly endless. From new equipment and crops that can transform the way you approach your farming tasks, to innovative tools that can make your virtual farming life easier and more efficient, there's something for everyone. Some mods go even further, offering completely overhauled maps and gameplay mechanics that can make the game feel entirely new. Imagine exploring a vast, meticulously detailed landscape that feels like a whole new world, or mastering new farming techniques that add layers of strategy and challenge. Mods can significantly enhance your farming experience, streamlining tasks, adding realism, and opening up a world of possibilities. Whether you're looking to make your farm more efficient, add a touch of realism, or simply try something new, there's a mod out there for you. Want to get your hands on the latest high-tech harvester that can reap fields in the blink of an eye? There's a mod for that. These advanced machines can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your farm. Fancy tending to a herd of fluffy alpacas or cultivating exotic fruits? You guessed it, there's a mod for that too. These unique additions can add a touch of whimsy and fun to your farming experience, making each day on the farm feel fresh and exciting. The world is your oyster, or should we say, your field, when it comes to modding in Farming Simulator 25. With the endless creativity of the modding community, you can transform your farming experience into something truly extraordinary. So why not dive in and see what amazing mods you can discover? Starting out in Farming Simulator 25, you'll likely find yourself with a modest plot of land and a handful of basic equipment. But don't let that deter you. With careful planning, strategic investments, and a whole lot of hard work, you can transform your humble beginnings into a sprawling farming empire that would make even the most seasoned agricultural tycoon green with envy. Start by focusing on crops that offer a good balance between yield and profitability. As your funds grow, reinvest in better equipment, expand your fields, and diversify your operations, perhaps by introducing livestock or exploring forestry. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful farm. Section 5. Livestock. The utterly important guide. Cows mooing, chickens clucking, pigs snorting. Livestock can add a whole new dimension of life and income to your farm. But be warned, these animals are not just adorable pixels. They require care, attention, and a good understanding of their needs. Each species has its own set of demands for food, water, and living conditions. Cows need regular milking, chickens lay eggs you can sell, and sheep provide wool that needs shearing. It's a delicate dance of keeping your animals happy and healthy while maximizing your profits. Section 6. Financial management. Don't be a cash crop catastrophe. Farming isn't all sunshine and hay bales. It's a business. And like any business, sound financial management is crucial. You'll need to keep a close eye on your income and expenses, make strategic investments, and perhaps even take out loans to finance your expansion. Don't blow all your earnings on a shiny new tractor before you've even planted your first seeds. Prioritize essential equipment and upgrades, and carefully consider the potential return on investment before making any major purchases. Remember, a penny saved is a penny earned, even in the virtual world. Section 7. Community and multiplayer neighbors and collaboration. Farming doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Farming Simulator 25 offers a thriving multiplayer mode, allowing you to team up with friends or other players online to create and manage your own farming cooperatives. Working together, you can share resources, divide tasks, and help each other overcome challenges. Plus, there's nothing quite like the camaraderie of sharing a virtual beer with your fellow farmers after a long day of cultivating the digital fields. Section 8. Troubleshooting and common mistakes. Avoiding rookie harvests. Even the most seasoned virtual farmers make mistakes from time to time. Forgot to refill your seeder with fertilizer? Planted the wrong crop type? Harvested your fields too early? Don't worry, we've all been there. The key is to learn from your mistakes and avoid repeating them in the future. Pay close attention to the in-game tutorials, consult the helpful Farming Simulator 25 community forums, and don't be afraid to experiment, even if it means occasionally ending up with a field full of wilted crops. Section 9. Get your hands dirty, unleash your inner farmer. There's something incredibly satisfying about working with the soil, feeling the earth between your fingers and planting seeds that will eventually grow into bountiful crops. It's a connection to nature that many of us crave, and Farming Simulator 25 allows you to experience this in a virtual setting. So there you have it, your crash course in Farming Simulator 25 mastery. From the moment you start, you'll be immersed in the world of farming, learning the ropes, and understanding the intricacies of running a successful farm. It's not just about planting seeds and waiting for them to grow, it's about managing every aspect of your farm efficiently. We've covered the basics of cultivation, from preparing the soil to planting and nurturing your crops. Each step is crucial, and attention to detail can make the difference between a thriving farm and a failed harvest. We've also explored the world of mods, which can enhance your farming experience by adding new features, tools, and even crops. Mods allow you to customize your farm to your liking, making the game even more engaging and personalized. Delving into the intricacies of livestock management, we've seen how important it is to care for your animals. Healthy livestock can be a significant source of income, and their well-being directly impacts your farm's success. From feeding schedules to health checks, every detail matters. And let's not forget the importance of financial savvy. Running a farm isn't just about hard work. It's also about smart financial planning. Keeping track of your expenses, budgeting for new equipment, and making strategic investments are all part of the game. Now it's time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. With all the skills and insights you've gained, you're ready to dive into the game and start building your dream farm. Fire up Farming Simulator 25, choose your farm, and get ready to embark on your virtual farming adventure. The game offers a variety of farm types and locations, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. As you explore your virtual farm, you'll encounter different terrains, weather conditions, and market demands. Adaptability and strategic planning will be key to your success. Will you become a crop tycoon, a livestock whisperer, or a master of all things agricultural? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. With modern farming tools and techniques at your disposal, you can experiment with different strategies to maximize your farm's productivity. Whether it's using high-tech equipment or traditional methods, find what works best for you. The only limit is your imagination, and perhaps the occasional in-game budget constraint. Get creative with your farm setups and designs, and don't be afraid to try new things. Get out there, get farming, and most importantly, have fun. Farming Simulator 25 is not just a game. It's an experience that allows you to live out your farming dreams. Whether you're playing solo or with friends and family, the joy of farming is something that can be shared and enjoyed by all. What are your dream farm aspirations in Farming Simulator 25? Share your thoughts, tips, and experiences in the comments below. Your insights could help fellow gamers improve their farms and enjoy the game even more. And don't forget to share your funny farming mishaps. Sometimes, the best moments in the game come from unexpected challenges and humorous situations. Let's create a thriving community of virtual farmers, all working towards the common goal of digital agricultural dominance. Together, we can learn, grow, and achieve great things in the world of Farming Simulator 25. So, get ready to plant, harvest, and celebrate your farming achievements. The virtual fields are waiting for you. Happy farming!